The optimization of expected rental returns is a very important factor. You do that, 1, by choosing the right location, 2, by choosing the right design, 3, by building and having all of this set up for the market that you are targeting. Am I in a professional area? Am I in a family area? Am I in an area where people want to share houses? It makes sense, doesn't it, to really target your outcome, target your design, your location, your orientation of the house for your intended tenant. So, for example, will I put a bathtub in? Professionals these days rarely have a bath. Bathtub takes up space and money. So, can I provide that space in more living area? They are all considerations that depend on your strategy. And that's why it's important to think about these things and develop your strategy at the beginning and then drive the whole process through that.